You may be wondering, does the Fairview RV Propane Automatic Changeover Regulator actually fail over to your backup tank without any interruption? In this video, I'll demonstrate how it works. For this test, I lit my stove, then I shut off the valve on my primary tank, and then observed the failover valve to see what happens, all the time watching the flame to see if there's any interruption. Now when the pressure drops low enough on the primary tank, we can see the indicator turn red. And as you can see from this demo, there were no interruptions in the flame. With the primary tank now empty, you flip the changeover lever to point to the full tank, making it the primary. Now you can remove the empty tank for refilling.